We live in a world filled with wonder and beauty, but sometimes we forget just how vast and mind-boggling the universe truly is. From the tiniest particles to the grandest celestial bodies, the scale of the cosmos is truly unfathomable. Let's start by zooming in, down to the microscopic level. Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells, each one a tiny universe of its own. Within each cell, there are even smaller structures called organelles, like mitochondria and ribosomes, carrying out intricate processes necessary for life. And within those organelles, there are molecules, made up of atoms, which are composed of even smaller particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons. But the scale doesn't stop there. Protons and neutrons themselves are made up of quarks, which are so small that they are nearly impossible to comprehend. It's mind-blowing to think that these tiny particles make up everything we see and touch in the world around us. Now, let's shift our focus to the larger scale of the universe. On a clear night, if you look up at the sky, you may see thousands of stars twinkling above you. But what you're actually seeing is just a tiny fraction of what's out there. Our Milky Way galaxy alone contains hundreds of billions of stars, and it's just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. To put the scale of the universe into perspective, consider this. If we were to shrink down our entire solar system, with the Sun at the center and all the planets in their orbits, to the size of a typical soccer ball, the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, would be over 4 miles away. And that's just our closest neighbor. Now imagine zooming out even further. Picture our entire galaxy, the Milky Way, as a single grain of sand. If that's the case, then the entire observable universe would be a beach filled with trillions upon trillions of grains of sand. But even this vast scale of the universe is just a fraction of what could potentially exist. Scientists believe that the universe may be infinite, stretching on and on forever. Wrap your mind around that for a moment. An infinite expanse of space, with countless galaxies, stars, and planets that we may never even be able to discover or comprehend. And within this vast universe, there are cosmic structures that defy imagination. Black holes, for example, are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. These gravitational monsters can be millions or even billions of times more massive than our Sun, warping space and time around them. Then there are superclusters, the largest known structures in the universe. These are colossal networks of galaxies, bound together by gravity, stretching across hundreds of millions of light-years. They form intricate cosmic webs, connecting galaxies and giving rise to the structure we see on the largest scales. But even as we grasp the unfathomable scale of the universe, we must remember that humans are part of this incredible tapestry. We are made of stardust. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of ancient stars billions of years ago. We are connected to the cosmos in ways that are both awe-inspiring and humbling. So, next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the unimaginable scale of the universe. Marvel at the microscopic wonders that make up our bodies and ponder the vastness of the galaxies that surround us. We may never fully comprehend it all, but that's what makes our universe so endlessly fascinating.